Sponsored by
PhD, MPhil किसी भी विषय में डिप्लोमा के अनेक अवसर है RKTF यूनिवर्सिटी में एडमिशन्स ओपन।
The Supreme Court has asked the National Testing Agency (NTA) and the central government to thoroughly deal with the alleged malpractices and paper leaks in the NEET UG 2024 exam scam, even if there is 0.001% negligence. Issuing a notice, the bench comprising Justice Vikram Nath and SVN Bhati sought a response from the central government and the National Testing Agency on the matter. Notably, the NEET 2024 results announced on June 4 triggered a massive uproar after approximately 67 students secured first rank by scoring 720 marks, prompting several aspirants and parents to demand a probe and seek a re-exam, alleging that the paper was leaked at certain centers. Speaking on the NEET UG 2024 exam case, the SC stated that every minute of negligence must be thoroughly investigated because if a person who has played fraud on the system becomes a doctor, it would be more deleterious to society. Expressing their sympathy with the NEET aspirants, SC remarked that every single aspirant puts his blood and sweat while preparing for the exam and stressed that country must not forget their labor. The Apex Court bench told the centre and the NTA not to consider the petitions filed against the NEET UG as adversarial litigation and instead work on rectifying the mistakes. Reprimanding the NTA for not taking necessary and significant steps on the issue, SC asserted that as an agency that is conducting the examination, NTA must act fairly. The Apex Court further advised the examination agency to accept their mistake and ensure that steps are taken in the right direction to solve the same. While listing the next hearing date for July 8, the Supreme Court further said that it expects timely action from the testing organization. Meanwhile, Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan on Monday affirmed that the government would take strong actions against functionaries of the NTA if found guilty of being involved in the irregularities in the conduct of NEET UG exam.
दूसरा, दो जगह पे कुछ गड़बड़ियों की भी ध्यान आई है। मैं छात्रों को और अभिभावकों को आश्वस्त करता हूं, उसको भी सरकार बड़े गंभीरता के साथ लिया है। वो जानकारी हमको मिली है। हम वो सारा विषय को एक निर्णायक स्थिति तक ले जाएंगे। उसमें कोई भी बड़े अधिकारी हो, एनटीए की कितने भी बड़े दायित्वधारी हो, अगर वो उनमें गुनहगार पाए जाएंगे, उनको भी छोड़ा नहीं जाएगा। और एनटीए में बहुत सुधार की आवश्यकता है। कुछ विषय एनटीए एक स्वायत्त संस्था था, लेकिन एनटीए की बारे में सुधारने की बहुत आवश्यकता है। सरकार उसके ऊपर भी चिंता कर रही है, लेकिन मैं फिर आश्वस्त करता हूं, किसी को, कोई भी गुनहगार को छोड़ा नहीं जाएगा। उनको कठोर से कठोर दंड मिलेगा।
Pertinent Bihar's Economic Offences Unit (EOU), the organization probing allegations of the paper leak in the NEET UG 2024 examination, said that their investigation is suggestive of a paper leak.